Hi, hi.
Try a fix to be fun and fun. We'll meet some animals starting with one. One little dog barks at the moon, howls out loud with a happy tune. Two little cats jump up high, landing softly with a sweet little sigh. Three little ducks go waddling by, flap their wings and try to fly. Four little frogs hop on a log, then leap away into the fog. Five little fish swim in a line, blowing bubbles, feeling fine. Six little bees buzz around a rose, tickle flowers with their tiny toes. Seven little sheep say ba, ba, ba. Chasing clouds both near and far, eight little penguins slide on ice, spinning in circles once or twice. Nine little monkeys swing through trees, giggling loudly in the breeze. 10 little animals shout hooray, we counted to 10, now time to play. Flee! Great job counting, that was cool. Let's count again after snack or school.
Hi, hi.